In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom virtual background in Canva. First, open Canva. Head to canva.com in your browser and log in, or create a free account if you're new. You can also use the desktop app if you prefer, but the steps are the same. Once you're in, make sure you have any brand assets you might need close by, like your logo or brand colors, so everything stays consistent. Next, start a new design made for Zoom. In the Canva search bar at the top, type Zoom Virtual Background. Select the Zoom Virtual Background option. This opens a canvas that's already sized for Zoom, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or orientation. It's a quick way to make sure your design fills the screen properly and looks crisp on camera. Now choose a template. You'll see plenty of ready-made styles: professional, playful, minimalist, and more. Pick something that suits your tone, or choose a blank canvas if you want full control. As you browse, look for simple, clean layouts. Busy patterns or crowded elements can be distracting on calls and may look jittery when you move. Time to customize your design. Add images, text, shapes, icons, and your logo from the left panel. Keep key elements away from the center so your face doesn't block them. The top corners are great places for a logo or small tagline. Stick to high-contrast colors so text stays readable, and choose fonts that are bold and clean. If you're using photos, opt for high-resolution images to avoid blur. Try subtle gradients or geometric shapes to add depth without clutter. Use alignment tools and guides to keep everything balanced, and consider a bit of transparency on shapes to soften the look. Aim for a calm, professional background that supports your presence rather than competing with it. When you're happy with the design, download your background. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics and transparent edges, or JPEG for a smaller file size that's still great for photos. Give the file a clear name and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated Zoom Backgrounds folder. Finally, add it to Zoom. Open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. From there, you can select your new image as your virtual background and preview how it looks on camera. If you see any flicker or text mirroring, make small tweaks in Canva and re-download until it feels just right. And that's it. Your custom Zoom background is ready to use.